So today you're going to use Desmos.com, which is a graphing calculator website, in order to complete your classwork. So we're going to graph linear inequalities. So we're going to take inequalities that we solved and graphs, linear equations that we graphed, and we're going to kind of combine them in order to get graphs of linear inequalities. So Desmos is pretty cool because if you're going to graph anything, you can always check yourself on Desmos. The first thing you're going to do is go down and click on the keyboard, which will pop up a keyboard with all different functions for you. And say, for example, we wanted to graph y equals 5x minus 1. We would just type it in. It shows up in the box right here, and it also gives us a picture of the graph. So today, you're going to be graphing inequalities, which are things that look like 2x plus y is less than or equal to 6. And you'll notice that when I graph this, it looks similar to how a line looked. The only difference is it's shaded part of the graph. So not only did it draw us a line, it also shaded the part that was less than 6 for us. So what you're going to have to do for today's classwork is you're going to have inequalities that you're going to graph on Desmos, and then you're going to have to match the pictures in order to answer the questions. So anytime you're graphing whatever the equation is, they gave you x plus 3y, and you need your symbol. Again, you just go down to the keypad. If you need a greater than symbol, 9, you'll notice that it pops the graph right up. It's shaded. The difference between a greater than and less than symbol and a greater than or equal to or less than or equal to is the equal to's will have solid lines, so we saw before. The ones that are not equal to, that don't have the lines underneath it, are dashed lines. So where we would have had our open circle before, now we have a dashed line. So again, you're just typing in the graphs and matching the pictures. So use Desmos to help you get a picture so then you can match it to the correct answer.